like to ask.
Court's in session and calls number 324360. Case is style of State of Texas versus Kevin Lamont Rollins. We have Mr. Rollins appearing via Zoom. Mr. Rollins, you can take your mic off of mute. Mr. Rollins, how are you doing?
I'm blessed, sir. How you doing?
I'm fine. I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Rollins, you're here with your attorney who's appearing in court, Mr. James Padgett. Mr. Padgett, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Your Honor. Thank you.
That's good. Mr. Padgett, what is your announcement in Mr. Rollins' case?
Well, Your Honor, we've been working on getting Mr. Rollins into the Veterans Program, so I might need to defer to the prosecutor on what their position is at this time, quite frankly. This is the gentleman we spoke of earlier, and Ms. Malfino.
Mr. Boyd?
On that, as far as that, I said my notes that he'd been accepted into the veterans.
Oh, he
program
has?
Is what the note said, but I didn't have any notes from Ms. Malfino, which I asked her, I think it was in October. She said she had.
We have done everything that they asked us to do up to this point, Your Honor. So my understanding is that the ball might be in their court as far as when they want us to sign up, what they want us to do. We're at the court's disposal.
Okay.
We'll take
And
care
I'll
of
try
it.
and get with Ms. Malfino, Your Honor, to see.
Okay,
where
let me
they're
do
at.
this here. We're gonna give us like a 90-day reset.
Whatever pleases the court. Like I
Yeah.
said, as soon as they email me, I'll get right on it.
Yeah, by that time, we should be able to.
It
maybe-
just took a while for
Yeah.
me to get him into the program.
Right, I know this, it takes a while in
But,
Veterans Court.
But I have a good line of communication with Mr. Rollins. He's been very professional with me, and he's ready to move forward with the program as soon as we can get him in.
Okay, could you give us a 90-day reset?
No, sir. Don't give my, for this day, I don't have to 37.
What's
No
that?
problem. No
Well,
problem.
let's do 3/7. That's about 60 days.
Yes, sir.
But, whatever pleases the court.
Yeah.
We're ready to move forward as quickly as possible.
And if you don't have, you can call me ahead of time, okay? And I'll give you those other 30 days.
Okay, as soon as I receive an email from Ms. Malfino, I'll do exactly that.
Okay, now, Mr. Rollins, your case is going to be reset till March 7th of 2022, so that your attorney can have the DA's office get him the paperwork so that you can get you signed up for the Veterans Court. Mr. Rollins, thanks for being patient with us. This will conclude your case today. Your attorney will be given a copy of your reset, your attorney and your bondsman. You're free to go, and you have a blessed day.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you. You do the same. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome.
Thank you, Mr. Rollins.
You're welcome.
Now I have Mr. Williams is also on Zoom, Your Honor, on the pre-trial conference docket.
Okay, the next case is cause number 326274. The case is style of State of Texas versus Tyron Lezay Williams. Mr. Williams, how are you doing?
Doing fine, Judge. How you doing today?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Padgett, what is your announcement in Mr. Williams' case?
Your Honor, we'll need to have this case moved to your plea docket. We'll get it out. And admonish Mr. Williams that on the date you give us, he will need to be present in the courtroom.
Yeah, okay. Here's the date.
How long? 30?
Well, 2/28 is gonna be a bad day. Can you go to? Okay, no, it's the 14th and the 28th. We can just. That's fine. Just, I knew those 2 days.
What date is it? Okay, you need to tell him something.
That's okay, Your Honor. You're going to probably do what I was going to do.
Okay, Mr. Williams, your case has been reset until March 7th of 2022. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. Thanks for being patient with us. You're free to go, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
No, it's not Willie Williams. It was Tyrone Mazay Williams. Tyrone Mazay Williams. I'll be in contact with you today, Mr. Williams. And then I have one case on the
Am I through?
Yes, ma'am.
Last name on the announcement.
Moore,
Moore.
Catlin Moore. He's right outside the door.
I just want to be right here, so.
Court is in session and calls number 329-784. The case is styled the state of Texas versus Catlin G. Moore or Catlin George Moore. Mr. Moore, is that your full name?
Catlin George Moore.
How you doing, Mr. Moore?
Pretty good.
That's good. Mr. Moore, you're here represented by your attorney, Mr. James Padgett. Mr. Padgett, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Your Honor. Good morning.
Good morning. Now, Mr. Padgett, what is your announcement in Mr. Moore's case?
Your Honor, I have, since the last time I spoke to Mr. Moore, I have received all the discovery on the case. This morning, I've also received offers on the case. I would ask that you give me some time to review the offers with my client
Okay.
and the discovery as well. I think the case is going to be worked out.
Okay, give us a reset date.
It's gonna be on May 7th.
That's fine, thank you.
Available for the rest of it.
Just,
Okay. Mr. Moore, your case is going to be reset to March 7th of 2022. Once you get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go, and you have a blessed day.
Just step right outside and have a seat. I'll be right out.
Mr. Padgett, you have any other cases?
I think that's it for right now, Your Honor.
Okay.
The two that was on Zoom, and I'm giving you two first.
Yes,